Did you know that the discounted cash flow (DCF) method, a cornerstone of modern valuation techniques, was first proposed by Irving Fisher in 1930? Since then, financial modeling and valuation have become essential skills in finance and investment. In today's complex financial landscape, organizations lacking expertise in financial modeling and valuation often struggle to make informed investment decisions and accurately assess business value. They may face challenges in creating robust financial models, struggle with applying appropriate valuation techniques, or fail to accurately forecast financial performance. This can result in poor investment choices, mispriced assets, and missed opportunities for value creation. At the individual level, finance professionals may find it difficult to build comprehensive and flexible financial models, struggle with incorporating various scenarios and sensitivities, or face challenges in applying advanced valuation methodologies. This can lead to less reliable financial projections and valuations, potentially impacting critical business decisions. This certification course comes to the rescue by providing in-depth knowledge and practical skills in financial modeling and valuation. It equips participants with advanced tools and techniques to build sophisticated financial models and conduct accurate valuations across various scenarios. By pursuing this certification, individuals will gain expertise in advanced Excel modeling techniques, three-statement modeling, DCF analysis, comparable company analysis, precedent transactions analysis, and leveraged buyout, LBO modeling. They'll learn to build flexible and robust financial models, apply various valuation methodologies, and interpret valuation results in the context of strategic decision-making. The impact on organizations can be substantial. With certified professionals in financial modeling and valuation, companies can expect more accurate financial forecasts, improved investment decision-making, and enhanced ability to assess and create business value. This leads to better capital allocation, improved M&A outcomes, and increased shareholder value. At the personal level, certified professionals will become highly sought-after experts in the field of finance. They'll be able to lead complex financial modeling projects, provide valuable insights in M&A transactions, and effectively communicate valuation analyses to senior management and stakeholders. This expertise can lead to significant career advancement opportunities in investment banking, private equity, corporate finance, and strategic consulting roles. Don't let inadequate financial modeling and valuation capabilities limit your organization's financial decision-making and value creation potential. Empower yourself and your team by becoming certified in financial modeling and valuation. Enroll in this course today and take a crucial step towards mastering the tools and techniques that drive financial excellence and strategic decision-making.